Hi friends, welcome to Jogo Coaching. In this video, I'm going to share few tips and techniques to handle the poor performance or poor performer in the Agile or Scrum teams. Poor performance of a team member or few team members in any Agile project is a common problem. This issue needs a special attention by the Scrum Master to avoid the performance issue in the entire team. Poor performance in Agile team will impact the customer commitments, cost, quality of the product delivery. Handling poor performance requires a thoughtful and proactive approach by the Scrum Master, and he has a huge responsibility to address this challenge. Let us understand few steps that will help the Scrum Master and the Agile project managers to handle the poor performance in the Agile team. The first tips is identify the issue in detail. Observe and gather data to understand the specific performance issue. Isolate the root cause of the poor performance with a common issue or perception. This is the first step we need to take it. The second tip is have a one-on-one meeting with the poor performer. Schedule a private one-on-one meeting with a team member to discuss your observation and concerns. You can also explain the impact of the performance issue in the entire team and also in the project. So this will help the individual to understand what concerns the Scrum Master or the team has about the performance. The third tip is talk to the team member and listen actively. Allow the team member to explain his or her perspective and any challenges they might be facing. Active listening will help to understand the problem of the team members and also give the opportunity to them to openly talk about the issue or challenge. The fourth tip is collaboratively set the improvement goals. Scrum Master should work together with the team member to set clear performance improvement goals. Make the goals more specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. That's called SMART goal. The fifth step is offer support regularly. Scrum Master should provide the necessary support, resources, and training that can help the team member to address their performance issue. The sixth step is develop an action plan. Collaboratively create an action plan with a timeline to take the improvement actions. This action plan should align with the performance improvement goals set for the team members. So developing an action plan is the critical step to handle the performance issue. The seventh step says focus on strengths of the team member. Scrum Master should identify and leverage the team member's strengths to contribute positively to the team's goal. Additional responsibility can be given to the team member based on his or her strength. The eighth tip is do regular check-ins. Scrum Master should schedule regular follow-up meetings to track the progress, provide feedback, and make adjustments as needed. This will motivate and help the team members to achieve their development goals. The ninth tip is address roadblocks which stops the progress. If any team member encounters any obstacles, Scrum Master should work together to address those obstacles. Scrum Master can involve in providing additional resources, adjusting the task, or offering coaching to show the improvement based on the development plan. The 10th tip is offer constructive feedback. Scrum Master should provide specific and actionable feedback to the team member. Feedback should highlight both area of improvement and success demonstrated by the team member as part of the development plan. The 11th tip is create a supportive environment. Scrum Master should ensure that the team member feels comfortable seeking help and sharing concerns without any hesitation. Scrum Master should promote a blame-free atmosphere in the team. The 12th tips is explore and provide learning opportunities. Scrum Master should encourage the team member to participate in trainings, workshops, or skill development activities to ensure or enhance their capabilities. So this will help the team member to come out of the performance issue. The 13th tips is monitor and document the progress. Scrum Master should keep a track of the team members' progress, improvements, and actions taken to address the performance issue. Progress tracking will help the team member to know about the focus areas and the current status to address the gaps. The 14th step is address cultural and process issue. If the poor performance is tied to any cultural related issues in the organization, Scrum Master should work with the relevant stakeholders to address the systemic problems. The 15th tips is recognize and reward the improvements. Scrum Master should celebrate small victories and improvements in the team members' performance. Positive feedback and encouragement will boost the motivation of the team member. Scrum Master should remember that the goal is to support the team member in their growth and their development. Poor performance can often be a temporary setback. With the right approach, we can bring the improvement and increase the value of the team members. I hope this video is useful to you. Please click the like button and leave your comments or questions below. I will respond to your comments as soon as possible. Thank you.